Hi, today let's make tasty jackfruit paisa. You would have tried this different types of paisa. I would recommend you trying this one. First things first, here I've taken moong dal and I've soaked it for 20 minutes. Now I'll transfer it to a pot because we need to boil our moong dal. Now the moong dal needs to boil for at least till it's 90% done. While our moong dal is boiling, here I've taken jackfruit and then chopped it into small cubes or small pieces like this. Now our moong dal is boiling for you to check if it's 90% done or not. Take a small grain, one grain, and just press it like this and check. Yeah, the moong dal is boiled. Now I'm adding in pieces of jackfruit and I'll give it a good mix. Now jackfruit itself has a lot of sugar, or you can tell the sweetness. Based on that, you add in jaggery powder or jaggery pieces like this and give it a good mix. While our jaggery has melted, add in some cardamom powder. Your house will be smelling like divine by now. Give it a good mix. Now I'll add in fresh coconut milk. Fresh coconut milk enhances the flavor of our jackfruit paisa, and let all of these come to a beautiful boil. While our jackfruit paisa is boiling, let's make a tasty tadka of cashew nuts along with ghee. Now if you like raisins, please go ahead and add in raisins as well. Now give it a good mix. Let the paisa come to a beautiful boil. Once it starts boiling completely, switch off the gas and then you can serve it. So you can serve it with the bowl. You can serve it hot or you can serve it cold. It still tastes amazing either of the way. And then if you want, you can have it with holige, or you call it puran poli as well. And then, as I said, you would have tried different types of paisa. Definitely a must try in the jackfruit season. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback on the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.